Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is G. Welcome back to GL Studios. It's good to be back. I've been gone for a while because of personal stuff. I am going to do the drawing at the end of this video. I'm gonna be using random ninja name picker or something like that. Those of you guys that follow me, you guys should know what I'm talking about. You'll see at the end. So anyways, I hope you guys have been good with all this COVID stuff going around and this Delta variant. I actually had COVID. That's why I was out for a while. A relative in California passed away in, I want to say in February. So I flew to California for a funeral. I was there for a few weeks, came back, and then my cousin, he passed away in Oklahoma in May or something. He was only 26 years old, I believe. It was pretty sad. He got really sick, and the doctors wouldn't do some testing, and they were waiting to see if they were gonna do the testing or not. And in that time, he passed away. So it was a pretty bad year so far. Say in June, May or June. No, it had to be May. I mean, it had to be June because my cousin passed away in May. So June or July. Yeah, it was definitely June. My grandma passed away. My dad's actual mom. She passed away. So she passed away of old age and possibly from a heat stroke. She actually passed away in her garden. So the story is, she was in the side of the house with her daughter, which is my aunt. The daughter was cooking and told her to stay there while she cooks. So when she was done cooking, she came back to the living room and grandma was gone. So she went walking around their yard looking for grandma to come eat dinner, and then she found grandma laying down in her garden. So she went to go try to wake up grandma, and she thought grandma fainted. So she called the neighbor's son, because my aunt, she's pretty old too. She's probably 60, at least 60, maybe 70. So she called the neighbor's son. The neighbor's son came in, called one of the relatives that actually lived there, because the aunt was visiting from California as well. The neighbor's son told the relative that I don't think she fainted because her body is cold. So we didn't do the funeral until the weekend after 4th of July. In between, I caught COVID. I'm not sure how. I think I know who I caught it from, but I'm not sure. So COVID is real, and it was a pretty big mess. I had to go to the ER. Well, let me backtrack. A whole household caught COVID, but everybody just got better naturally, except for me. I was coughing a lot, and it was getting worse and worse by the day, so I ended up going to the ER. I went to the ER. Obviously, I was tested positive for COVID. I also tested positive for pneumonia. So they gave me steroids, antibiotics, an inhaler to help me with the breathing. So I was at the ER for several hours actually. I came home. I was thinking I probably wouldn't be able to go to my grandma's funeral if I was still tested positive. Eventually my COVID went away. I went to go test the day before or 2 days before the funeral, and I tested negative, but I was still coughing from the pneumonia. I still had the pneumonia, so I kind of mostly rested. I just rested a lot. I don't really do much. That's all of the main things that happened. I started a new job in April actually, and then I just quit like a week ago, and I started a new job this past Friday. Well, technically this past Friday, but I didn't actually do the job till this week, Monday. So yeah, so I've been through 2 different jobs since then, since the last video. Other than that, it's not much to update. Oh, I did get a new tattoo, so it's still early. I put some aftercare stuff on it, so that's why I'm wearing a tank top. I also have this Tomie tattoo. I can show you guys this one. My artist custom designed it. It's Tomie with her faces, one of her many faces. So obviously I am a Junji Ito fan. As for Evangelion, that's Oscar right there. That one I've had since November or December, maybe January. And then of course you guys have seen this one. This is Kale's the Go tour. That was the only tour that I did not get to go to when it came to the United States. That's why I got that face right there. The shading could be a little bit better. Yeah, I know. Wasn't as good as my usual artist. And this one up here, nobody's ever seen this one. These are roses. I'll give you guys a sneak peek, but you guys have to be quick. That's all I'm showing. When it fully heals, I'll post it. But yeah, so anyways, that's all I have to update. So here's the video, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button and share this video. Thanks. Peace out. Alright guys, the moment you guys been waiting for. I always use namepickerninja.com as usual. It's not formatted real well, but it's pretty simple. These are all the names based on the YouTube comments on that video. Some names were shortened or abbreviated, so it would fit in here. And might be some typos, but sorry about that. Some pretty cool names here. Some names I've seen before, some I haven't. So basically all I did was enter your names into this list right here. And I'm going to hit that green go button at the top right there. So here it goes. And if I pronounce the winner's name wrong, I apologize. Here we go. L Psych. L Psych is the winner, or LSYK. I'll reply to your comment to tell you to post your email, and then I'll email you the info, and then after that you can delete it. Congratulations, and thanks for subscribing. If you guys were not part of this, make sure you're subscribed for the next contest or giveaway, whatever you want to call it. And thanks for watching. Peace out.